They can belong in these mammoth machines. They're monster trucks. Oh, baby! Way up in the air, riding on the rear of that dump truck. Their crew. Jerry Beck out of Lafayette, Indiana. For Jerry is an excavating contractor in Indiana, so the dump truck idea was perfect. This truck is chaos. Over the school bus. Up and running. Clock ticking. Driver gets 2 minutes. And then there's score 20,000. Looking for a big close. He's going after the school bus again. Big close now. Trying to score these points in abundance to position himself. Tough to get the first one out. And that'll do it. Jerry Beck and Dirt Crew with a freestyle one. Jerry Hansen. Looking pretty good so far. Knockout punch to the heavy hitter as he lost the right rear wheel came on scratching from freestyle. Stone Crushers coming out. And this is John Cahoon's first run for Stone Crusher. So then for Steve Sims, who's been driving in recent years. The truck went 2002, and he was a freestyle champion. This truck was a freestyle champion last year at this event. Stone Crusher. trying to close thick here. There we go, that jump. Landed solid along. Again. Don't bust it, coming after some more. And that'll do it. Stone Crusher concludes the freestyle run. Well, it's a special night anytime the Monster Truck is down here in Charlotte. Time is elapsed for the Stone Crusher. A couple of happy birthday wishes going out. Brooke Tatum and Blake Cook. 17 points for Stone Crusher. And here comes Quad Chaos, the world's biggest ATV. Don't forget, these monster drivers will be signing autographs under the grandstand. The concourse immediately follows the show. Quad Chaos, who handlebars first feet up in the air. Woo! Way up! Time for a big finish. Oh yeah! Almost perfect on the rear wheel stand. Just drop it over like doing nothing to it. Not one of those utility tires is going to play it ready. A great looking ball with Quad Chaos. Aaron Payne out of Lafayette, Indiana. And it's shut off. And I don't know what happened when he got over that utility tire, but that may have been the end of it. Clock still ticking. Trying to get something else. That'll do it. Quad Chaos. Time is elapsed. With 70 points, he was able to muster the world's largest